Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another Amazon haul. Today I have some really cute wedding guest dresses. They are, some of them are on a little fancier side, so they could work for other occasions, not just weddings. Okay, so the first dress I have, I think that I'm most excited about this one. This one is super cute. This is the women's balloon sleeve ruffled with belt dress. This is the okay, so this one is the champagne gold, says silver. Yeah, so it's got little gold and silver little shimmers in it. They do have one other color, it does also come in red. But I thought this one was super cute. It has zipper on the back of the dress. So a good length of a zipper. On the top, the neck has like this little ruffle. It has a little bit of elastic in it. So hopefully it's not too tight. I don't like super tight things around my neck. It's got a little bit of a puffy sleeve, and the sleeves are on a little bit on the sheer side. But the rest of the dress is lined. The sleeve, bottom of the sleeve has elastic. So it is long sleeve. And then you've got the little tie belt around the waist. It is a shorter dress, so about knee length. And then the like the bodice part is lined with the kind of champagne colored lining, and then so is the skirt. Super pretty. I love the gold and silver shimmers in it. It is 100% polyester, so I mean the outside is kind of a little scratchy. Kind of has like a crepey fabric to it. But we will see how it feels. But it is super cute. I really like this one. It's very pretty. So I did get this dress in a size 8, so we will see how it fits. Okay, so the next dress we got is these, it says Woman's Jewel Halter Sleeve dress. They do have sizes in petite and regular. I did get a size 8. This, I love the feel of this fabric. It is very silky. It says that it is 100% polyester, but it feels very nice. Very silky. This is the teal floral print. I love the print. It is very pretty. So you've got the zipper on the back. Is the halter neck. Just a very simple dress. It goes to about your knees. I am 5'6", so we'll see exactly where it hits. Very pretty, very nice for the springtime. I love the colors in it. It does come in quite a few other colors. Very cute. Okay, so the next dress we got is this lacy little number. So it is a sleeveless lace fit and flare midi dress. So So it has the spaghetti straps on it. You've got the lace applique across the chest part, a little bit V-neck, and then the whole thing is just covered in lace, front and back. And then you've got the inside lining around the chest area, and then about halfway down you have the inside slip, and then it looks like about from your knees down to your calves. It is just lace, very pretty lace detail on there. This one is the pink mauve color. It does come in a few other colors. These straps are adjustable. Okay, so it does have a zipper on the back as well. And then it kind of has like the empire waist. I did get a size medium. Alright, so the next dress we have is this DKNY women's faux wrap dress. It only comes in the one color. It is the navy multicolor. Very pretty pattern. I really like this one too. So around the neck, you've got the ruffles. Very pretty. Comes around the back as well. It does have a zipper in the back. The sleeves are about 3/4, and they are a little bit sheer as well. But the rest of the dress is lined. Is a faux wrap, has the belt on it, and then you've got the ruffle all around the bottom. Very cute. The inside lining is navy. This is a super cute dress. I really like it. Great for springtime. It's about knee length, and I did get a size 8. It is 100% polyester. Alright, so the next dress is this belted silky stretch dress. It says stretch. Doesn't have very much stretch to it. Maybe just a tad. There's this very pretty Pacific teal color. It does come in a few other colors. It's got the little keyhole on the back with the button. Long sleeves, but it is about knee length. Sleeves are a little bit puffy, and it does have elastic in the bottom of it. A straight dress. Then it has a tie around the waist, so you can or don't have to wear the tie. It is very cute. I love the color. So I did get a size medium. It is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. Very cute. It does have a little bit of a silky touch to it. Okay, so the next dress I got, I'm super excited about this one too. This is so pretty. This one is the Women's Party Evening Cocktail Prom Wedding Guest Dress Gown T-length dress. So this is the rose gold color. It also comes in navy. I did get medium. So it is very sparkly, but it like very glittery and sparkly, but the glitter, it's like in the fabric, so it's not like falling off. And the whole dress is pleated with this pretty waist on it. It is a deep V-neck as well as the back, and you do have the zipper on it. And then as the dress goes down, you've got 3 tiers of ruffles. Oh my gosh, this dress is so pretty. I love the ruffles. All the way around the back. It is lined. Very pretty pinky color. And then, so there's like underneath of one of the ruffles. So cute. It is, looks like it goes about below your knee. It is 100% polyester. Very cute. Okay, so my thoughts on these dresses. I think that they are all very pretty. The champagne colored one with the gold and silver shimmers on it, I love. It is beautiful. The only thing, it seemed like the neck was stretched out a little bit. I don't know, the ruffle just kind of laid a little bit funny, but it wasn't tight on my neck, so that's good. And it's not, even though the fabric is a little itchy, I didn't think the dress itself was. Very pretty. I love it. Okay, the rose gold ruffled tiara dress is gorgeous. I love the color. It is a little on the fancier side than a couple of the other dresses, but it is super pretty. I love this one. Okay, so the faux wrap dress is another one of my favorites. I love the colors and the pattern and all the ruffles. Very, very cute. And then the halter top one I also really like. The color and the patterns is very pretty. The fabric is very silky feeling. And I didn't notice that when I took it out of the bag, it's got this kind of, and I tried to show it in the videos, but it's kind of got this like, almost like a little tie right here, but it's not, it's just a little ruffle that with the pleats that make it look like a tie, which I thought was super cute. I like that, the little detail on it. Okay, so that is my try on haul for these dresses. Let me know if you have a favorite. Leave me a comment down below. If you are interested in any of these dresses, I will leave the links down in the description. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.